Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. The Eagle's Nest Castle is one of the symbols of my channel. If White Rock Castle represents my creativity in general, the Eagle's Nest Castle is the seal I put on my YouTube project, that is this very channel. Thanks to this series, in fact, I created the first really themed videos, allowing the community to follow me and get to know me step by step with each episode. For quality reason, however, I had removed these episodes from the channel, leaving only a great summary, a crafting marathon which you can still find among the other videos. In any case, I consider this material very important and very valid from the point of view of fantasy modeling, so I decided to do an insane job of remastering the old videos and to give you the whole journey in full version. It was the year 2018, the audio quality has been improved but I couldn't work miracles. Sure, the microphone wasn't working or was sometimes not placed correctly. After all, they were my first steps into the world of YouTube videos. I hope you can still appreciate its artistic, historical and emotional value and that as then some of you come close to this crazy crafter in love with fantasy. That being said, enjoy the video.
Hi guys, this is Max from maxdmcrafting. Today I'm basically working full immersion in my Eagle's Nest castle, and basically I'm going very modular. I'm actually making part of the castle. You see, this is for example like a tower, the top of the tower with an entrance and a little balcony here, you see, like that. Basically I'm going modular, so with these pieces I will have a lot of parts for create this weird town on the rocks, like as I told you, Manarola in Cinque Terre. So I will work on the castle that I already built till now, and I will make the shape. Then in the second moment I will cover with houses, windows, stones, bricks and whatever. Okay? Wish me good luck. Cross-fingered, and see you later. So, this is what I've done till now. Basically, I started the main tower. You see, this is one of the balcony and one of the houses. On the bottom floor, entrance, there will be like a passage bridge here. For now it's it's like in wood. You can see it's like wood, but maybe I will transform this in stones. And then we will have another little house here. Now from this floor on, houses will have actually roofs. How this is funny, you see, this is not just cardboard. This was this little tower for my cat, and there was a rope around here. I just take off the rope and now I'm just using this. Actually it's quite heavy, you see, it's full. Okay, It's nice because this tower actually can exist by herself. Today I'm gonna finish this, so I'm doing now bricks. I need bricks, a lot of bricks. Okay? See you in a bit. Today I am quite satisfied because actually I finished the second tower. Let me see if you can see it better. The second tower was actually the little one, but also the most complicated actually, because we have a main entrance here, then we have a balcony with another door here. Then we have the first exit that actually is on this plane when we have the bridge. And then we have this spiral external stairway, okay, that was quite complicated. I added also the last house, actually is for the guards, and a couple of gargoyles. So basically that's it. Took me a lot, especially because when you are managing with these irregular shapes, you don't have symmetry. Everything is not the same left on the right. It's totally weird. So basically you have to solve problem step by step. Okay, now just some picture and then a closer look to this beauty. I need now to finish the main tower. The main one is very big. We have this, you see, octagonal room here. It's without doors because there is a, you see, it's openable, and you have a spiral stairway that comes from down. Everything it's now need to be finished. Actually, I'm trying to understand how to do this final roof, because when you do the wrong shape of the roof, actually you can turn every beautiful piece in some piece of shit, okay? Because I saw several times beautiful houses that then with the wrong roof they seem just like bird house or stuff like that. This one will be quite complicated. I need to do an octagonal hedge. Also I don't have decided the technique for the shingles on this time. Maybe I will do a tutorial for a quick way to do shingles, my personal way to do shingles, okay? See you in a bit. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and also please consider to support this channel through Patreon. But if you are not in this giving stuff, you can also buy something through the links below that are actually affiliated links for Amazon. If you need something, please consider the idea to buy something through those links, okay? Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and also stay tuned because I think the next episode we will finish all the building, then it's just paint time, okay? Till next time, happy crafting!